Smartloan, how to get loan in Ghana online. Smartloan review. Just go to your Play Store and then type in Smartloan. When it comes, just install the app just like this one. As I'm installing it, it will first download onto your phone. As you can see, this one is downloading. After it finishes downloading, it will install right onto the phone, and then I will be able to open it. Okay, so just click on open, and then it will take you to the dashboard like this one. You are then going to allow them access to all of this: your phone, your SIM, your location, your contact, your camera, and then your calendar. Okay, just click on agree and then continue, and then allow them access to your device files, your calendar, your location, your cell phone, your contact, your SMS, your video recorder, and then click on OK to allow access to your location as well. Okay, then click on agree and then continue. The next thing that you're going to do is to just take your time and then read through their privacy policy. Okay, it is very important because you are going to allow them access into all of these. Okay, so just take your time, and then when you finish, what I have to do is just click on agree and then start. Okay, just click on it, and then after you finish clicking on it, the next thing to do is to put in your phone number. Okay, when you put in your phone number and then click on get OTP, you are then going to be sent a 4-digit code which you are going to type here, and then you'll be verified and then continue. Okay, the next thing that you are going to do is to put in your personal information. You are going to select either you are a male or female. You are going to select your highest educational level, and then the next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to select if you are single or married, then the language that you speak, then you have to put in your email address, which is optional. The next thing is to select 2 people as your guarantor. The first one is your family member, whether you're going to select your parents, your brother, a child, anybody. And then the next thing to do is to put in the name of the person. Okay, just put in the full name of the person. And then after you have finished putting in the name, the next important thing is to put in the telephone number of that person who is serving as a guarantor. The next one is to choose another person, a friend, a colleague, a relative who is also going to stand as your guarantor, and then go through the same process. The next thing is to verify your identification using any of the cards like voters ID card, Ghana card, passport. And then you are going to put in the number, the Ghana card number, your first name, your family name, then you select your date of birth. Make sure to select the one that is on the card. Okay, then you click on confirm. The next thing is to take a front picture of the card. If it is Ghana card, just take a front picture of the Ghana card. Make sure that it goes with all of these picture requirements. Make sure you do not take pictures which do not go with their requirement, because they are going to reject it, just like these pictures. Okay, when you are done, just click on confirm, and as you see, they have sent me a message that I can get up to 3,000 Ghana cedis my first time of applying. Okay, let's do it. The next thing is to take a selfie picture of yourself. Okay, make sure that it is clear, and then you are going to allow them to have access to your camera. Then you take a selfie. They are going to ask you to blink your eye, then you blink it, and then you'll be able to come to the dashboard. As you can see here, there are other things that I want to show you. Okay, about if you want to contact them, you can just click on it. If you encounter a problem, you can just click on it, and then here you can see the payment method, the repayment method, and then you can also see the common questions that people also ask. If you want to know about the smart loan, if you want to know how to apply for the loan, everything is here. Beside that, if you want to know more, you can just go ahead, like how to repay the loan. It is also here as well. You can follow all these steps. Okay, beside that, if you still want to know how long it takes to apply for a loan, you can also have it here. And then if you are rejected, the reason is also stated here as well. So let's try and then apply for the loan, but let's also look at one important thing about how to contact them if we encounter any problem. Okay, so what I want you to do is to just come to the home side. When you go to the account section and then you click on the account side, you are going to be taken to this platform. You can then click on contact us. Okay, so when you click on the contact us, you are then going to see their email address, Their working hours, as you can see, they work from Monday to Friday. That is from 9 to 6 p.m. Okay, and then this is their telephone number. Okay, now that we know this, we can then apply for the loan. So just click on get loan. So when I try to apply for the loan, this is what happened. Actually, I wasn't given the permission to apply for the loan. I don't know why. I was like, what is happening? So I decided to call them. Okay, I decided to call them and then ask.
The information you gave us with kindly look at your details again.
Okay.
Is it could be the IDs the ID that you inputted in the system, or probably you know that now the Ghana card is linked to your account.
Yes, please.
So kindly check that information, yes, and then make sure that every information you are providing is correct, is accurate. And then if everything is accurate, refresh the app, because mostly if it is your first time that you are trying to request for a loan from us, the app takes time to access your details to see that everything, to make sure everything is correct before we process your loan. So kindly go through, refresh the app for us, and then try again later in the day. If the problem still persists, please get back to us. You're welcome. Have a nice day.